Hey everyone! Looking for the best mini circular saw to handle precise cuts in tight spaces? You've come to the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top performing mini circular saws of the year, considering power, design, features, and real life performance. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. Unirvana 4-amp 3500 RPM Mini Circular Saw. The Unirvana Mini Circular Saw provides a reliable, affordable solution for compact cutting tasks. Its 4-amp motor delivers a no-load speed of 3,500 revolutions per minute, capable of cutting wood, PVC tubing, laminate flooring, plastics, and medium-density fiberboard efficiently. The included 24-teeth TCT blade provides sharp and accurate cuts, making it ideal for small DIY and home improvement projects. The saw features a laser guide with a bevel lever and a parallel guide, ensuring precise, straight cuts, while the depth gauge lever allows adjustment from 0 to 1 and 11/16 inches. Its compact design and ergonomic soft grips make one-handed operation comfortable and reduce fatigue, while the vacuum adapter helps maintain a dust-free workspace for better visibility and cleanliness. The bevel adjustment capability of up to 45 degrees adds versatility for angled cuts, giving users more flexibility for creative and practical projects. Overall, the Unirvana saw is a cost-effective, practical, and safe tool for anyone looking for a compact circular saw. It balances performance, portability, and precision, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts or anyone who requires a dependable mini circular saw for occasional or moderate cutting tasks. Number 4. Inventor Mini Circular Saw. The Inventor Mini Circular Saw is a corded powerhouse, offering high performance for woodworking, soft metals, tile, and plastics. Its 4.8-amp motor delivers a no-load speed of 4,000 revolutions per minute, providing strong cutting power while remaining compact for easy handling. This saw includes 3 blades, a 24-teeth TCT for wood, a 44-teeth HSS for wood and soft metal, and a grit diamond blade for tiles, covering a wide range of cutting needs in a single package. Precision is enhanced by a clear left-sided blade design and a parallel guide attachment, making straight cuts easier and more accurate. A laser guide further improves accuracy, while the built-in dust collection port allows connection to a vacuum, keeping the workspace clean. The saw's ergonomic design reduces fatigue during extended use, and the double protection switch prevents accidental activation. The compact size and lightweight build make it suitable for one-handed use, making it convenient for both indoor and outdoor tasks. Number 3. WorkPro 20V Cordless Mini Circular Saw. The WorkPro 20V Cordless Mini Circular Saw excels as a professional-grade, yet compact tool ideal for DIY, workshop, and home projects. Its powerful motor generates 4,500 revolutions per minute no-load speed, easily cutting wood, tile, plastics, PVC, and soft metals. Despite its power, the saw remains lightweight at just over 4 pounds, minimizing strain during extended use while maintaining control for precision tasks. This saw stands out due to its adjustable cutting depth and bevel capabilities. Users can set angles from 0 to 45 degrees and achieve maximum depths of 1 and 11/16 inches at 90 degrees, making it versatile for bevel, edge, and framing cuts. The laser and parallel guides ensure precise cuts, enhancing project quality. The ergonomic rubberized handle provides comfort for one-handed operation, while a switch locking mechanism prevents accidental starts. Battery performance is another strong point. The 20-volt 4,000 mAh battery and fast charger allow for continuous work without long interruptions. The included set comes with multiple blades suitable for wood, plastic, and tile, a dust extraction tube, a parallel guide, and a storage bag, providing a complete solution for any project. Number 2. G-Laxia 3400 RPM Cordless Circular Saw. The G-Laxia Cordless Circular Saw offers an excellent combination of portability, precision, and power. Its battery-powered design eliminates the need for cords, providing maximum freedom of movement, whether working indoors or outdoors. The saw's pure copper motor delivers a no-load speed of 3,400 revolutions per minute, allowing it to cut through wood efficiently. The package includes 2 blades with a hex key, so users can easily switch between tasks without interruption. One of the most valuable features of this saw is its laser guide and rip guide. These ensure straight, accurate cuts every time, which is particularly beneficial for DIY enthusiasts or those tackling detailed projects. The saw accommodates maximum cutting depths of 1 and 11/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 and 1/8 inches at 45 degrees. Number 1. Doberman Circular Saw. The Doberman Circular Saw stands out as the best pick in the mini circular saw category, thanks to its impressive versatility and precision. Equipped with a total of 6 blades for different materials, this saw can easily handle woodworking, soft metals, plastics, and tiles. The inclusion of both 4 and 4 3/4 inch blades ensures that every cutting task is covered, allowing users to switch effortlessly between projects. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.